So this is question number 39, GATE Metallurgical Engineering 2014, question number 39. Determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion and reason. Assertion is deoxidation and decarburization of liquid steel are done by vacuum treatment process. Reason is decreased partial pressure of carbon monoxide promotes deoxidation and decarburization. So the option A is whether the assertion is false but the reason is true. Option B is assertion is true but reason is false. Option C is assertion is true and R is also true but R is not a reason for A. And option D is A is true but R is also true and R is the reason for A. So basically, if you have studied Le Chatelier's principle, if a system at equilibrium is subjected to change of pressure, temperature or the number of moles of the component, there will be a tendency for a net reaction in the direction that reduces the effect. So what does this mean is like, so if you look at the reaction, let's say we are doing decarburization, then the carbon in liquid metal, if it reacts with oxygen which we are passing by argon purging or oxygen purging, then what happens is like 2CO is produced. Okay, so here there are 2 moles of gas and here is 1 mole of gas. So 2 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of carbon monoxide. So let's say if we insert more pressure, let's go to the reverse way. So if high pressure is there, so what is happening is like 1 mole of gas is giving 2 moles of gases. So if we increase pressure, then the reaction will move from this to this, which will in turn increase the carbon content in the material. So let's say if we go another side, decrease the pressure, which is basically means vacuum creation. Now according to Le Chatelier's principle, what will happen? As the pressure is decreased, this reaction will move towards right. So more carbon monoxide will be there, hence this will drop. The concentration of carbon present in the liquid metal will drop. So deoxidation and decarburization of liquid metal are done by vacuum treatment process because of this reason. And basically the reason which they are stating is like decreased partial pressure of carbon monoxides promote deoxidation as well as decarburization, so which is true. So the correct answer is option D, where A is true and R is also true and R is the reason for A.